Around the farm, the bull is strong.
Bull.
The cow gives us milk to drink.
Cow.
The goat can climb.
Goat.
The sheep has wool that keeps it warm.
Sheep.
The pig has a curly tail.
Pig.
The lamb is a baby sheep.
Lamb.
The donkey kicks its legs.
Donkey.
The horse gallops in the field.
Horse.
The hen lays eggs for the farmer.
Hen.
The chick is yellow and fluffy.
Chick.
The turkey likes to eat seeds and grains.
Turkey.
The rooster wakes the farmer in the morning.
Rooster.
The cat meows and purrs.
Cat.
The dog howls at the moon.
Dog.
The mouse stays warm in the farmer's barn.
Mouse.
The frog leaps up into the air.
Frog.
The turtle can hide in its shell.
Turtle.
The duck waddles to and fro.
Duck.
The fish swims underwater.
Fish.
The crow flaps its wings.
Crow.
The owl can see in the dark.
Owl.
The sparrow likes to sing.
Sparrow.
The woodpecker pecks the tree with its beak.
Woodpecker.
The snake hisses and slithers.
Snake.
The rabbit likes to hop.
Rabbit.
The cricket hops and chirps.
Cricket.
The dragonfly zips and zooms.
Dragonfly.
The bee buzzes from flower to flower.
Bee.
The butterfly flutters its colorful wings.
Butterfly.
The caterpillar crawls along a leaf.
Caterpillar.
Thank you.